Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Hope, and today we are putting together an amazing gizzard recipe. If you're a lover of gizzard, this is a recipe to try, okay? The gizzard in this recipe will be soft and not chewy. There are times I make chewy gizzards, but this one is going to be soft and yummy. As you can see, the size of this gizzard is quite huge because it is turkey gizzard. So I like to cut it into a smaller size. That's what I'm doing now. After cutting it to my desired size, I like to wash it in warm water and lemon or lime. This helps to clean the gizzard very well. It's a practice I like adopting. You may leave off this step, okay? Aside lemon or lime, I also like to add salt in the cleaning process. I rub in the lemon juice into the gizzard directly this way and massage it thoroughly in. This helps to reduce the smell of gizzard, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I do this before I add the hot water. I add the thoroughly rinsed gizzard into my pot. Add onions, garlic powder, seasoning powder, bay leaves, and water to cook. I cook for 30 minutes until the gizzard is soft and good to move to the next step. The other ingredients for this recipe are 4 colors of bell peppers. I use 1 color of these 4 bell peppers each. For this recipe, this is the shape I shall be going for. Sometimes I could also make it in strips, but for this one, I'm cubing it this way. As you can see, so far there is no tomato included in the vegetables that I am chopping. This is bell peppers recipe. The chopping of the bell peppers completed. I use my garlic press and take care of the garlic like so. I also like to chop my habanero peppers like this. Everything in this recipe is chop, chop, chop. Please protect your hands by wearing a glove for this exercise. To make this recipe visually pleasing, I like to achieve the same style or design of cutting for every vegetable I'm using, just like you see me do with the onions. With my wok on the stove, oil added, I saute the onions like so. The recipe for this green seasoning is in the description box below. The base for this gizzard smells so good already. You don't want to know how my kitchen smells at this time. It's time to add the gizzard. Yeah. And then I'll stir fry this until this gizzard has absorbed this the spices in this sauce so far. Seven minutes later, see how thick the sauce that has boiled out of this gizzard looks like, and it tastes so good. It's time to add the vegetables. I'll start by adding the onions. Everything is like going to cook at the same time. It will be cooked and crunchy. Nothing here is going to be like very soft. Everything will like saute nicely, like half cooked, so that as you bite into the gizzard and a serving of the vegetables and the sauce, you could have a little crunch. remaining in the vegetables. That's what I seek to achieve by adding everything together at this time. 2 minutes later, the sauce and gizzard is ready for plating. This can be served as is with a drink of your choice or fruit drink. You can serve it as a side to plantains, potato, rice, beans, whatever your choice is. And this tasted so good. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how your recipe came out. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.